Good day, everyone. I am Ronan Bakali Gabika, and for this lesson, we will discuss the difference between social studies and social sciences. Although these two terms are often used interchangeably, they actually have different meanings and purposes. So, at the end of this discussion, you will understand their definitions, significance, and other form of examples. First, let us talk about social science. The social science is the scientific study of society and human behavior. So ang tumong niini kay masabtan kung giunsa or unsa ang movement and dynamics sa mga tao, grupo, or sa institution sa atong katilingban. So researchers use observation, surveys, interviews, ug uban pang scientific methods aron makakuha og reliable data. So because of this, social science is considered an academic and research-based field. So examples include sociology, which studies society, psychology, which studies human behavior. We also have economics, which focuses on resources and money, and political science, which studies government and policies. And there are also a lot of other examples about social sciences. Now, let us discuss social studies. So, social studies is a school subject that combines knowledge gikan sa klase-klaseng social science disciplines. So, ang tumong niini mao ang pagtabang sa mga estudyante nga mamahimong responsible ug informed citizens. Unlike social science nga research-oriented, social studies is more focused on teaching students about history, culture, geography, citizenship, ug current social issues. So example include history, geography, civics, ug studies about culture and community. So that is social studies. Now, let us differentiate social sciences or social science to social studies. So the main difference is that social science creates knowledge, while social studies teaches and applies that knowledge. So ang social science naga-research ug nagatuon sa mga social issues pinaagi sa scientific methods. On the other hand, ang social studies nagagamit sa impormasyon or sa mga details or data gikan sa social sciences aron matudlo sa mga estudyante. So in simple terms, social scientists discover information, while social studies helps learners understand and use that information in real life. And now let's proceed to the significance of social science and social studies. So why are they important? Both social science and social studies are important because they help us understand the world around us. Ang social science nagahatag og deeper understanding sa behavior sa mga tao ug sa mga problema sa atong society. Samtang ang social studies nagatudlo kung unsaon nato paggamit sa maong knowledge nga gihatag sa social science disciplines aron mahimong responsible citizens. So to conclude, social science studies society scientifically, while social studies teaches and applies that knowledge for everyday life. So overall, kung miingon ta og social science, it talks about studying a specific or specialized disciplines. On the other hand, when we say social studies, it is the application of interdisciplinary approach integrated into lessons or lectures in the community. So thank you so much for listening, and I hope you have learned a lot from this discussion. Thank you so much.